So right now I'm gonna go right into my email. I'm gonna make sure I refresh this. Let me just refresh that. Oh, there we go, Epic Games. So Epic Games email verification. So this is how the email verification from Epic Games looks like. And you're supposed to get a number like so. Obviously your number will be different than mine. I'm just gonna copy that over. I'm gonna go right into here. I'm gonna just paste it. I'm gonna click on verify email, which is on the bottom. And then we're pretty much done. At this point on the top right hand corner, I'm gonna see tech and design. I'm gonna see my account, so I can click on my account. And from here, I can look at all my personal information. I can also add payment information. Okay, so I can add my credit card, PayPal if I wanted to. And if I want to connect anything, I can click on connections, which is this option down here. Now there's apps and there's accounts. So let me just zoom out a little bit just to give you a quick glimpse. So right now I can go ahead and just hook it up to my Xbox, PlayStation, Nintendo, anything really. So just make sure to do that from here. And once you guys hook it up, you're free to go and play on whichever device you would like to. This is the best way to have everything in just one place. But for now, we're done. You just made your account. Congrats. We can go into our store, play any games that you like, go into them, have fun. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.